Here we have a Volkswagen e-Golf MK7 facelift 136 PS. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, automatic LED headlights, power assisted speed sensitive steering and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 17-inch Madrid alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a charging cable. The interior includes 2-zone climate control, wireless app connect and a multi-device interface with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.